Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the error message you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that says that the system was unable to find the specified registry key or value. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to make sure that the syntax and spelling of the registry location that you were pasting into a command line window was correct. Make sure it is an actual location as well, so you may want to open up the registry editor, navigate to the file location, and make sure that it does exist and the subkeys are there as well. So that's something important. I'd recommend taking a look into that. That usually resolves a lot of problems just by doing that. Something else we can try here as well, if we're having just issues with system corruption perhaps, would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. The first one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in, hit enter and give us a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that command is done running, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt, right click on it, select edit and paste that one in as well, and give this a couple minutes to run. Okay, so you can see Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.